It is once again time for the Law on You with the Aries Premier Attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Molly Clark. The last Friday before Christmas. I can't believe you both are working today.
Oh, we never stop.
Never stops.
Never stop. We're ready for a little break over the holiday season for sure.
With skiing.
Oh yes, can't wait to get out on the mountain.
Let's get to our question for the day. It's from Robert. He's out in Jenkins Township. He writes, I was bit by my neighbor's dog when it jumped over their fence and attacked me while I was taking out my garbage. My neighbor is a renter, but I know who the landlord is. Do I have a personal injury case?
So this is a tricky question. You may, and the reason I say that is if the owner of the property knew that there was a dog on the property, and also knew that this dog had, propensity, had bitten somebody in the past or had vicious propensities, then you may be able to get to the owner of the property on this particular case. But if it's just a case where somebody has a dog and it gets out. I don't think you'd be able to get to the landlord, but I don't know. What do you think, Molly, in this particular case? It sounds.
I think
sounds
it's a pretty.
interesting.
I think it's interesting, but I think it's a pretty difficult case.
Yeah.
What I would recommend is look back and see if you have any text messages, emails, any records of phone calls or notifications about this dog. I think that would go a long way in this situation. Otherwise, I think it's a big uphill battle.
Yeah, tough case. Very, very tough case.
But that's why you can at least begin that conversation.
Absolutely.
By calling Fellerman and Ciarimboli and at least, getting some of that advice to say, what are my next steps?
No question about it. Absolutely.
Yeah. And if you wanted your question answered just like Robert out in Jenkins Township, all you have to do is visit the websites on your screen or give the hotline a call. And I hope everyone has a nice weekend and getting ready for Christmas.